Hey guys, it's Shalane. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a room tour, so I hope you enjoy. So the first thing we see here is my door, and my door has two signs on it. The big one is the chorus to my favorite song, and then the top one I just spelled my name out so you know it's my room. So you walk in and you see this little area here. I like to call this the living room because it's got some seating and some books, so I also call it the library as well. In fact, you can watch my video how to organize your books and you will see how I ended up with this glorious masterpiece. Then I have my fairy lights here, and this is where I film my videos. This is my backdrop right here, and I think it's very nice when the lights are on. So. And then if we just make our way over here, you can see my Polaroid wall. Got a few things there. And then my diffuser station. I have some sage oils or a roll-on. And then this other one, this vanilla oil. I got that as a birthday gift, and it's very, very beautiful. So then we'll make our way over here. And this is my bed. The checkerboard kind of print is from Amazon. It's a duvet cover. And then this purple blanket was a gift. And then the Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal, that was mine since I was a baby. And then the Coca-Cola pillow was my Opa's, and he wasn't using it anymore, so. And then I just have some black sheets from Walmart. I have my nightstand. This book I'm reading, I would recommend it if you're into World War II research and stuff. It's really good. And then we have a mirror. Hello. And then my dresser. This is a record player, it's a very nice record player actually, and you can take it. It's a traveling record player. So that is very nice. And these outlets and switches, I'm actually gonna change all the outlets and switches in my room to all these new ones instead of the old crusty outlets that buzz when you plug something in. And then this is just a tape recorder. I have some more decor on here. And then I have my desk, basic desk. And this is my favorite part of the room. It's like a little collage wall with like stuff that I really like, so I sketched all these cameras here. I sketched these two ladies. I think they're very pretty. And then my sister, she actually made a compilation of these photos that I took, and this was her Christmas gift to me. And so yeah. And then, oh, this chair is so comfy. My friend Lori, she gave it to me. And then down there I just have my records. I only have 5, but I like them all, so that's nice. And I forgot to say, but in this chest I just have all of my extra purses, and it's very nice. So then we're here. It is so dark, so I apologize. I wonder, maybe I can, no, that doesn't do anything. Okay, but this is my camera shelf. So I have my instant camera, my film camera, all the film canisters that need to get developed, some more film for my instant camera. And then this is my dad's old other film camera. It's called a Pentax. I have my sweaters, tripod and stuff, my purse. And then I have my half wall. So my half wall is a very unique feature we have all over the house. This is a lava lamp, some other decor. I have all my hair stuff in that little box. This is my shrine to my Oma. She sadly passed a few years ago, but I will always remember her. I have all my plants, and then just some more decor. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!